Welcome to your meticulously maintained, better than new home in the exclusive Estates of Lake Florence. This stunning Bayshore floor plan features a single-story, open-concept design that beautifully balances style and functionality. With a layout tailored to your needs, this home is exactly what you've been looking for. The designer kitchen showcases a center island with pendant lighting, a large single-bowl sink, white cabinets, and 3 cm granite countertops with a 6x6 tile backsplash, a large pantry, and stainless steel appliances. The bathrooms have matching white cabinets and granite countertops and a walk-in shower and dual sinks in the primary bath. There is 18x18 floor tile in the main living areas, baths, and laundry room, and carpet in the bedrooms. This home makes great use of space with a welcoming foyer, versatile flex room, separate dining room, convenient laundry room, a secondary bedroom with a private, full bath, and a 3-car garage. Additional upgrades include 4 LED downlights in the gathering room, upgraded lighting and hardware throughout, and a smart home technology package. This home is ideally located in Winter Haven with no CDD fees and minutes from Highway 17, near I-4 and SR 60, for easy access to the greater Orlando area, Tampa Bay.